Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I'm here today with a great craft. And this is my friend. It's a hedgehog, and this is going to be your craft for this week. As you can see, he has some wheels, and we're going to make one of these. And when you get your craft package, it will look like this. Now this particular hedgehog is green, but this one is blue. So you might get a green one, you might get a blue one. And here's his little wheels in here, and here's all of his parts. And all you have to do is you just have to take the wheels like that. This has sticky on both sides, and you just put it together like this and squeeze it all together. Put a face and an eye on it, and there's your hedgehog. Well, he's lazy. Let's see what we can do. I think we're going to try, and we have to try a couple times. Oh, he goes all over. You ready? There he goes. So, this hedgehog is so silly. There he goes again. Oh, he goes everywhere. Better have a lot of room. Oh, there he goes. Anyway, you try him at home and give yourself more room than I have here. There he goes. And have fun with your little hedgehog. And be sure to sign up. We still have time to sign up for our reading program. It's online. And make sure you do that and come and see us at the library because we have missed seeing you. And make sure you get your hedgehog and let him roll. Bye, guys. Have fun.